So we are approaching the end of week 8 and the foam insulation was sprayed in yesterday. And we did both closed cell and open cell foam insulation, and closed goes in the ceiling rafters and open goes in the wall rafters, and that basically will make this house into a Yeti cooler most of the time. So we're very excited because obviously, like you can see, I'm sweating. It is so hot, and it's Florida, and it is July, and we are just dying. So anyway, I wanted to give you a quick look at what the foam looks like. It's really something. It's super cool. And actually, believe it or not, even though it is Florida in July, end of July, it is about 20 degrees cooler in the house today with the foam than it was yesterday, even though we don't have any AC and just a few windows open. So I want to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to flip the camera around. All right, so here is the shot of my living room and kitchen. And all the, butter yellow or buttercream colored stuff is the spray foam insulation. And it's really cool because it just seals everything up so tight, and it's really hard. It's like brick. It is not soft at all. Now the soft cell is like a softer, it's more like a spongy material, but this is like an epoxy, and it seals everything up so we don't get any water or air or anything else escaping in or out. And when you do foam like this, you close up all of your vents. So the vents that we had in this house that were leaking, the ridge vent, which usually runs in this house, it ran all the way down here and down the hallway, was leaking. Even though this roof was put on in 2017, it was leaking all down the hallway and creating a mold issue that the previous homeowner did not know about because it was dripping on the top of her drywall and she couldn't see it. But anyway, so that is all sealed up now. And this was a functioning wood burning fireplace, both up and down. And the foam guys also filled it with foam. They sealed it off. So there will never be a fire in here again, just an electric fireplace insert. We don't have gas here, so I'm doing an electric linear fireplace insert, and this is my box that they built for it. But it's coming along. So tomorrow is Thursday. Friday will mark the start of week 9 and also the start of drywall. So we've done pretty good, guys, in 9 weeks to get to this point. Even my contractor friend is like, I can't believe that you guys are at this point doing a whole house gut renovation at just 8 weeks. So we've been really lucky with our amazing contractors that they come when we call them, and they do such an amazing job for us. So this is the only room that's intact, which is the bathroom. And we got to add an exhaust fan and lighting and a new ceiling that does not have mold. So there we go. Yep, and there's the foam. Pretty cool. And this is not foam, this is a soundproofing insulation that we put in between my son's wall where his bed is gonna be and the TV wall, which is right behind here, just to help him so that if we're watching TV or movies late at night, and we won't disturb his sleep. He won't be able to hear it at all. I thought you guys would be interested in seeing what it looks like when they deliver a shit ton of drywall. It's actually really cool. And yeah, so I'm very excited. Drywall is getting delivered today, and hopefully it will start to get hung today or at the latest tomorrow. Yay! So this is a very exciting week. This is week 11, and I know I didn't update on week 10, and that's because I was traveling to pick up my kids in Ohio. They were there for the summer staying with my parents while we did this full gut renovation. So I just got them back after 10 weeks. And so last week, week 10, was the week that we did that the drywall was completed and the texture was completed. So that was what was done when I was gone, plus the tile downstairs. And I'm very excited to show it to you. Please excuse the way I look. I'm basically the Walking Dead right now. So this is week 11 and it's very exciting because I've painted all the walls and I started adding the lighting. And so we're getting very close now. As you can see behind me, the floors are not done yet, and that's the last thing that's holding us up, the floors and the doors. So bedroom doors wouldn't matter if we just didn't have those, but we also don't have the door that's leading to the laundry room and the outside. So, and both the laundry room door and the outside door are both leading to the outside. So those need to be done before we can actually like turn on the AC full time and live here. So I'm really excited because the last thing is, again, the floors, and then we can actually move in. Even though the kitchen won't be quite ready yet, we can at least move our beds in here and get out of my neighbor's house that we've been in for the last 11 weeks. So I'm gonna spin the camera around and I'll show you what the progress looks like so far on week 11. And see, today is Tuesday, so there's 3 more days in this week. So hopefully we'll have a little bit more progress at the end of the week. And if so, I'll show that to you also. This is week 18, I think, and the quartz was delivered last week on Wednesday, and it had a huge scratch down the whole length of it. So it's 120 inches long, 10 feet, and it was damaged from one side to the other. So today, unfortunately, they are removing it so they can take it back to the shop and try to buff it out, and if not, they'll have to replace it with a new slab. So I'm kind of hiding in my bedroom because they were so mad when they showed up and realized it was a split level house that they were cursing me, and it was awful. So now they have to remove it and then also install it again. Like, it's twice as awful. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick update, and I'll flip this around so you can see what's happening. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support as I go through this whole downsizing and renovation process. If you would please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new content, that would really help me out, as well as making comments and engaging with the channel. I'd really appreciate it. This channel isn't monetized yet, so I'm hoping to get there with it. So all your support helps me out. I really appreciate it. If you like DIYs, don't forget to check out my other channel as well, at DecorSauce. That's got lots of fun DIYs, and I'm posting on both channels all the time. So I appreciate your support there as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you back here very, very soon. Have a happy DIY.